everybody. I just moved my giant ass tripod out of the way. Today is Thursday, July 21st, and Blakey and I just both got up from a nap. She got up super early this morning, and I didn't sleep very well, so I had a nap with her, and I was out cold. I had the weirdest dreams. So we're just having some orange, and I'm gonna be having some Greek yogurt, and this is coconut Greek yogurt. It's my favorite. It's so good. It tastes like dessert, and it's really healthy for you, so I'm just gonna scoop that out. Good orange. So I wanted to give you guys, I'm still in my pajamas, by the way. I did not feel like getting dressed yet. I do have to go to work later tonight at 4 o'clock, but I just didn't want to get dressed. I didn't even brush my hair. So at least I have my makeup on. Anyways, so Colin and I, TTC update. I for sure ovulated on this past Monday because I was very, very crampy and very uncomfortable, and yeah, like I was for sure ovulating, and that was at around 3 p.m. on Monday. And then Colin was in New York, so, and I had to go to work even if he was home, but so we were not able to try, but he got home the next day around 10:30 p.m. So this is now Tuesday at 10:30 p.m. He got home and we tried. So I'm not sure if it worked just because it was the day after I ovulated, but I don't know, we'll see. I've been crampy on and off, and I know it takes 6 days for the fertilized egg to travel through the fallopian tubes and implant into the uterus. So, and I felt cramping with her almost every single day after, and I have a bit of cramping too, so like today and a bit yesterday. But obviously it's too early to tell like any signs or anything like that. But I'm very hopeful, and I'll keep you guys posted. Blake and I are 100% better. Well, I wouldn't say 100%. Obviously, like I'm still stuffy, but I feel fine. She still has a stuffy nose. Like when she eats like around lunchtime, she's stuffy, but she's 100% better too. We were both on 10 days of antibiotics. I had an ear infection. She had a chest infection. Both my parents got it, and they had like a horrible cough and like just awful. Colin didn't really get it, although he started it off, I think, not too long ago. So, and my mother-in-law got it. So it wiped us out. Like we were sick for like 10 days. So I didn't film as much. I don't know if you guys will even notice, but I didn't film. I took like 2 days off just because I was so tired and did not feel like myself. But yeah, we're better now. Yeah, so I do have to work today. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna make a crock pot lasagna. Colin is coming home from Montreal today, so I'll see him tonight when I get home. And one other thing I wanted to say is whenever we were intimate and trying for a baby on the Tuesday, my Ovia app, which is O-V-I-A, that's the app I used to conceive Blake, it told me that the Tuesday was a 9.5 out of 10 chance to get pregnant, and the day that it predicted I ovulated as a 10 out of 10 was the day I ovulated, on the Monday. So hopefully it worked. We shall see. If it didn't, I won't be like 100% surprised just because we only tried on one day, but sometimes that's enough, so we'll see. And I'm gonna go ahead after I eat this and show you guys my crock pot lasagna. So this is the easy crock pot. Sorry if you can hear Bee in the background. She's playing here. This is the easiest crock pot recipe. I just started off by putting some tomato sauce in the crock pot with some ricotta cheese and just kind of mix that around. And then you're just going to layer the noodles on top with some mozzarella cheese and repeat the process. I used rice lasagna noodles just because they're gluten-free and they're a little bit healthier. So I'm probably just getting them out of the package at this point, but you literally just sauce, ricotta cheese, noodles, mozzarella, and repeat. And I put this in for, I believe it was on high for 4 hours, and it came out so delicious. It was so good. It literally was like one of the best lasagnas I've had. Obviously, you could use meat if you want to, but I just wanted this to be a cheese lasagna. You could also add vegetables, but I just wanted it to be, like I said, a cheese lasagna. So just keep adding the marinara and the ricotta, and it is delicious. So you guys definitely need to try out this recipe. Super easy, quick, convenient, and so good. To pick me up for lunch because I don't have my car. Colin took it to Montreal. So I'm just gonna have to do all these dishes when I come home. But you just want to set this on high for 4 to 5 hours, and that's what it looks like, and it'll be delicious by the time we get back. I also wanted to show you guys this outfit. This dress I wore last when I was like 40 weeks pregnant with Blake. It's from Shop Modern Vintage Boutique, and I like stuff like this because you can wear it when you're not pregnant and when you're pregnant. I hate buying just maternity unless it's tops, but dresses I just buy a bigger size, although this is a medium I think, or small, and my belly was like out to here, but it's super cute and really cozy. So I'm gonna go to my mom and dad's for lunch, and then we'll come and I'll put the baby down there because it is a beautiful day and I want to sit out in the sun at their house because, I mean, look at this day. It's so pretty. These dishes can wait. Yeah, you do. Got your blocks? Where's your keys? Yes, because you know, everywhere you go, I got water. I can water for you. I'll do that. Okay. Say good morning. It's the next day. And Bee's got blueberry pancakes that I made and some Cheerios. And she chugged a bunch of milk and some water. And Mommy's just having coffee because I'm not hungry right now. So, and it is, what day is it today? 6:46 on Friday, June 22nd. Little tip, if your babies or toddlers will not take medicine, I just put her liquid medicine in a spoonful of Greek yogurt and mix it up, and she loves it. Otherwise, she spits it out. So try this and it should work. Just have to dry these dishes and put these little spice jars that my mom gave me away, and then I'm going to disinfect just with vinegar Blake's humidifier. I need the lid as well. I don't know where that is, but I have to go get that. And I am like super tired. I'm still in my pajamas. Super tired today. I felt great this morning, and now I'm just like, I'm still stuffy. I still have a cold, which is really annoying because I can't get rid of it. And yeah, I'm just like so tired today. So I'm like, And I was really crampy this morning, so I don't know, I'm like, am I pregnant or is it like phantom symptoms, because I do believe that's a thing. So I don't know, we'll just have to see, but I'm so exhausted even though I slept so good last night. Maybe it's this cold or allergies or what have you, I don't know. So I just put a little bit of makeup on, just mascara, brows, gloss, and a little bit of concealer under my eyes. And my girlfriend is coming over today because I haven't seen her in like a month. So we're gonna hang out and I'm super excited to see her. And we're probably, it's a beautiful day, so we're probably just gonna go for a walk. And then I might like do her makeup or something fun. So I'm not gonna film it because I want that quality time with her, and I'm pretty sure, I haven't asked her, but I think she's pretty shy, so I don't really think she'd be comfortable on camera, which is totally fine. And you have to like respect people's wishes that way. So that's just what I'm gonna do now. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. I'll show you guys what we're having for dinner. You saw my last video, I made that crock pot lasagna and it was so good. I still have, or was it this video? It might have been this video. It was this video. I made that crock pot lasagna yesterday. It was so good, and I have leftovers, so we're just gonna have that for dinner tonight. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but Colin is picking up our kitchen island, the built-ins for either side. Ignore his tool, what is that? A saw in the corner. The built-ins for the fireplace and a sideboard that's going along here. He is picking that up this weekend. So I'm so excited. It's all finished finally. You guys know, if you've been following my channel, that we have been waiting so long for those things. They were getting made at his work. So it didn't cost us anything. We obviously have to pay for the granite for the island, but for right now we'll just have like a MDF, it's called, just like material board, until we go out and actually buy this granite to match the countertops in the island. So yeah, we got it for free through his work, but because it was free, it took like, I'd say 3 or 4 months, just because they only run it through whenever, you know, they're not busy. And the reason we're able to get stuff for free, like our whole kitchen cabinets, they were all free. Our vanity was free because Colin works his ass off for that company and he loves it, and his bosses are just super sweet, and they were like, you know what, like if there's any projects you want to do, like just let us know. So that is super, super nice. We are super blessed. I mean, if we had paid for that island, it would have cost us at least $6,000, not including a top. The built-ins would probably be a couple grand. The buffet hatch would be at least $2 grand. So it saves so much money. So we are very thankful, very blessed that we are able to do that for free. I'm currently selling this dining set because I have no room for it, because we have our big farmhouse table in there. So I have it on Kijiji. So if you're in Canada and you're like in and around Toronto area, and you're looking for a dining set for 300 bucks, I don't know if that's too expensive or not, but it comes with the chairs and it comes with the like leaf, so I don't know, hopefully I'll sell it. But anyways, I gotta get myself dressed because I'm still in my pajamas. I have to put in another load of laundry, and then my friend's gonna be here, and then I'll show you guys a crock pot meal that I'm making for dinner, because we actually don't have a lot of that lasagna left because my husband ate a lot of it, and so did B. So my girlfriend just left, and I'm gonna be making this crock pot taco casserole from Tamale Tips, and it looks really yummy. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that, and I'll show you guys everything I'm putting in. So I'm running the dishwasher in case you hear that in the background. Just cleaned up the dishes, and I need to do another like intense cleaning video for my kitchen because it's just, I mean, I can see not grease, but like a little, I guess it would be like a grease marks like here. So I'm gonna do another cleaning video this weekend. It's supposed to be really crappy out, so if you like cleaning videos and you want to see me clean all of this, then subscribe so you don't miss that. But this is what the taco casserole looks like, and I just put it on high for like 4 hours because it's already 20 to 2. You could do this in the morning on low, like obviously for longer, but I don't have that much time, so gotta love the crock pot. I also have to fold all of this laundry, but I'm gonna wait till Blake is up because she would be disappointed. She really wouldn't because she's a baby, but if she knew that I didn't wait for her to do the laundry, because she loves doing the laundry with me. B is folding her laundry. Sort of. She loves when I do laundry. Are you gonna fold your shirt? Good girl. Shake it out. Get all them wrinkles out. Shake it. Yay! Good girl. You're so cute. Look at her hair. She ran avocado through it earlier. You crazy baby. If you guys want to see how excited she got folding the laundry, check out my Instagram. It's Lindsay Christine M. It's quite hilarious. I post lots of Insta stories and pictures and stuff. You crazy baby. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about this. It's, hold on baby. It's a lot mushier than I thought, but we'll give it a try. It tastes good. It's okay, Mama's coming. She's impatient for her dinner. And so we have the taco casserole and then some cornbread. I just defrosted in the freezer. I'm gonna give that to her now because she really wants to eat. I do not advise making this. I don't know what it is, but like, it would have been better with noodles, like egg noodles, because like, the bread gets all soggy and it just tastes like soggy schlop. It's just not good. I would not recommend it. I don't know. I followed the recipe. I'm not sure, but it's just not very good. B only ate, she ate a little bit, but not that much, only a couple mouthfuls, and now she's on to her cookie. Now she's helping me empty the dishwasher. This girl loves chores. My crock pot is soaking. I should really just buy crock pot liners. I don't know why I haven't, but I need to. Dishes are drying, countertop's clean, I vacuumed the floor. I just have to wash the floor and I have to give B her medicine because she still has a little bit of amoxicillin left. I just washed the floors, including like all here. It's still kind of wet. I gotta keep the bathroom door closed because this girl always goes in there. So yeah, I just washed the floors and I'm gonna end the vlog here. I think, little monkeys. Where are you going? Because, excuse me, it's now 6 o'clock and I'm gonna give her a bath and put her to bed. Well, by the time we do the whole bath routine and I read her some books and stuff like that, it's like 6:45. So I'm probably gonna have a bath with her. I don't know, I have to wash my hair for tomorrow. So, I don't know. I could do that. I might just have a bath with her. And she's attempting to climb the stairs. She can't. But she's got interest. You're such a busy girl, aren't you? Say bye. Bye, guys.